Hey guys, welcome back! In today's video, we're taking you with us in one of the highlights of our Italy trip, our boat tour to the beautiful island of Capri. Our day started early. We got picked up at 6:50 a.m. right from our hotel. We booked a semi-private boat tour with a local company called, and honestly, it was such a good call. It's about €150 per person, and that covers hotel pickup and drop off, plus snacks and drinks on the boat. There's only 8 of us, so it felt really intimate and relaxing. Our first stop was the Blue Grotto. The Blue Grotto is Capri's most iconic sea cave. It's very popular, so we went early. Even then, there were already boats queuing outside. And just to note, you can only get in if the sea is calm. The price to go inside the grotto is usually around €18, but since it was a Monday, we only paid 12. And heads up, they only take cash. You pay on this little floating cashier boat, kind of random, but also part of the charm. To enter, you have to lie flat in a tiny wooden rowboat because the cave opening is only about 1 meter high. The water inside glows with an incredible electric blue, thanks to the sunlight that enters through an underwater opening and reflects off the limestone. In ancient times, Emperor Tiberius actually used this grotto as a private bath. After that, we docked at Marina Grande. They gave us 4 hours to visit the island by land. We grabbed a day bus pass for €20. It gave us unlimited rides between the port, Anacapri, and Capri Town. First stop, Anacapri. It's quieter than Capri Town and higher up in the hills. Most locals actually live here. We took the chairlift up to Monte Solaro hoping for epic views, but it was totally covered in clouds. Still, the ride was peaceful and fun.
Stairwell to heaven.
Then we wandered around Capri Town. We checked out the piazzetta and did some people watching. Something we noticed, Amalfi Coast has more artisan and handmade shops, while Capri's where the luxury brands are. After exploring Capri, we went back on the boat and cruised around the coast. Here are some of the amazing spots we saw.
No voice at all.
Thanks for tagging along for the third and final part of our Amalfi Coast adventure. If you haven't seen the first two parts yet, make sure to check those out next. We explore the other amazing towns you won't want to miss.